Hi guys, oh my god. For a second there I wasn't sure it was gonna work because the last time I tried to go live, it didn't work. To be fair, I don't think it was Facebook, I think it might have been my Wi-Fi. So hello, my name is Hemba, coming to you live from Portsmouth. So what I'm gonna do is what a lot of us ladies do at the end of the day. So when we've been at work all day, for example, and you get home, hi Evelina, and then you kind of need to like literally dash into the house, get changed, and go somewhere. Then you kind of want to touch up your makeup, don't you? So that's what I'm doing. So I've got loose powder here. I love my loose powder. It's got such good coverage, very, very good coverage. So yeah, I use that when I'm in a hurry. I'm in a big hurry. I tend to use loose powder. Obviously, if you've got oily skin, it's good for you. My skin is not as oily as it used to be. Hey, Euphemia. How are you? How are you doing? So today was back to school for lots of children, wasn't it? Oh my God. My youngest started school today. Excuse me. You know, I thought I was going to be really emotional. I thought I was going to cry. I didn't. I didn't. I mean, I felt like extremely proud and happy and emotional, but I didn't cry. I don't know why, but yeah. So my baby started school. He'll be in university next. You know how it goes. Right, so I'm going to touch up my brows today because I'm all about the brows. All about the brows. So this is my Brow Obsession palette. Like, oh my God. This is a savior. Literally a savior. I don't know how I lived so long without it, but I can't now. My brow palette is life. Yes, I love it. This shade is like dark brunette or black. So you get a choice. Dark brunette, black, okay? It's not black, but you know what I mean. If you've got like dark hair, what we call black hair, then this is the shade for you. There's a blonde one and then there's a brunette shade. I swear it's easy as pie to use. Before I got this palette, right, the only time I'd ever had brows that looked like this was when they were done by a makeup artist. But now I can do it all myself. Just because I've got what I need. So I'm just touching up my makeup quickly. And then I'm off. What's everyone up to today? Did anyone's kids go back today? Did anyone get all emotional? Who was that mum who had to be dragged out of the playground today? Don't lie, confess. If it was you. And I'm not shaming, don't get me wrong. Oh my God, I think I was a complete mess when my older child started school. But things are just slightly different now, I suppose. So yeah, light a bit now for the inside. So I just got some new eyeshadows, which I'm really excited to try out. I'm not going to do them tonight. But stay tuned and you'll see me wear them over the coming days. Now, if you don't want to miss out on any of my videos, at the end of this live, make sure you click the subscribe button. If you do that, you get a notification every time I come live. Hi, Loveness. Hi, Kanem. Hello, Natalie. Hey, Precious. How are you all? Lovely ladies, beautiful ladies. So nice to see you. And for all of you who watch back on replay, please say something, okay? Don't stalk me. Say hello. I love it when you say hello. I love it when we start conversations after the live video has ended. I think that's really, really cool. So any questions about anything? About where to buy socks? Or what to put in the packed lunch? I don't do packed lunches. But I will do the research for you if you want. Hey Dana, good to see you. So yeah, I don't do packed lunches. Oh my God. I just think you need to be super organized to do that every single day. Have everything you need every day. Excuse me. And also, without your child getting bored, I think I'll just give my kids the same thing every day if I made a packed lunch. So I don't. How easy was that, girls? That was like 5 minutes. I mean, yakking away. Ah! I've knocked my lip powders off the table. Oh, Lord, what am I like? Okay, so that's that. I'm just wondering, what should I slap on my eyes? This is my liquid eyeshadow. I love it. This shade is Wakiki. So I think I'm going to slap some of that on. And just because I'm wearing blue, I'm in a blue kind of mood. Hi Sheila, hi Dine, how you doing? So quick. And then I've got an appointment, you see. And then, now how vibrant is that color? These are like jewel tones. They're so rich, and like, I really love it. So what I do is, oh my God, my throat, what's going on? I was fine a minute ago. Am I dying? Tell me guys, am I dying? Is this how it all begins? With the throat. So, you can do this in coats, obviously. I generally do 1 or 2. So, I don't like to have that sharp margin there. This is usually when I'll get my blending brush and just kind of blend it in. Hi, Marilyn. Good to see you. Now, ladies, can I ask you a favor, please? If you wouldn't mind, could you please love and share my video? If you do that, I'll be very grateful. It just gives me more exposure. It means more people can see me. And more people can be helped by what I'm doing. So I'll be really excited if you could do that, please. Thank you. So if you think you've over blended like I have a little, then just go back in. At least now I've got, you know, the blend I wanted. And then this dries pretty quickly as well. So don't worry, because I said it's a liquid eyeshadow. It sets beautifully. It really, really does. It comes in like 5 different shades. And yeah, this is one of my favorites. I think when I was little, blue was my favorite color. I don't really have a favorite color now. Hi Raleigh, how are you? Tell me, what are your favorite colors, ladies? I bet someone's gonna say pink. Which is fine, You know what, that reminds me of when I was pregnant with my son. You know how, you know, the whole girls are pink, boys are blue thing? And I was just like, no. I'm a little bit anti-establishment, if I'm honest. So I think when I found out I was having a son, I was just like, so what? Now I'm supposed to go out and buy everything blue? And I was like, no, I'm not going out and buying everything blue. I'm going to buy a different color. I didn't know what color I was going to buy. And of course, you get to the shops, everything is blue. Yes, Natalie, blue. Red, yes, red, Dina. I like red. I love my red lipstick. You know, I might just wear red lipstick tonight. So I went to the shops and I was like, I'm not buying my son anything blue. He hadn't been born at this stage, mind you. But you know what? I could almost not find anything for boys, which wasn't blue. It was almost like I didn't have a choice. So I started out buying the whites. And then I bought a few browns. But, you know, it wasn't like really nice browns. They're quite boring. In the end, I settled on yellows and greens. And when he was born, oh my God, he was so beautiful. I'm not saying this just because it's my child. He really was so beautiful. And because he was dressed in yellows and greens, people didn't know if he was a boy or a girl, which was quite funny. That was quite funny. They're like, oh, she's so beautiful. I'm like, she's not a she, she's a he. But yeah, so I guess, you know, when you go looking for trouble, you do get trouble, don't you? Yeah, going up in the lifts with little old ladies and saying, it's not a boy, it's a girl. And you know what it's like? With the hair and everything. Oh, my boy is beautiful. And he started school today. You know, maybe I'm more emotional than I thought. What am I saying? Because now I'm reminiscing on his birth and everything. But yeah, so that's why Kiki, yo. Now, I believe this is a beach somewhere in America. I haven't been personally, but yeah, I understand. This is named after a beach in America, Waikiki. So that's done. Next thing, eyeliner. Do you know, I used to be scared of eye makeup. Hi Deo, hi May, hi Maggie, hello Mariah. Thanks for jumping on. Say hello, say something. Don't just let me waffle on. I'm going to end up telling you my deepest, darkest secrets if you guys don't say something. Just to feel the silence, I'll keep talking. So, I was going to say something and I forgot. What was I talking about? Hi, Inka. I was about to say something I completely forgot. Anyway, never mind. It's gone. But that's so annoying. You know that, don't you? For the rest of the evening, I'm going to think, what was I wanting to say? You want my deepest, darkest secrets? You know what? I don't think I've got anything that interesting to tell. I mean, I could make stuff up. I'm very good at making stuff up. Can't even talk. Yeah, there was a time I just made up interesting stories about myself for a living. I was scared of eye makeup. Thank you, Yinka. I used to be terrified of eye makeup with good reason, because I made a complete mess every time. Like, you know, this blue eyeshadow, back in the day, I'll do it all the way to my brows. I'm not even kidding. And nobody once said, Hamba, you think, like, if you've got friends, real friends, someone should sort of say, are you done, or were you going to do anything else with your eyes? No one ever said anything. And the worst part is, those pictures are now on the internet forever. But you know what? My story has changed. So basically, this is a testimony. Oh Lord, yeah, eye makeup, it's very daunting. Lots of women are intimidated by it. There was a time I just couldn't touch a mascara one, like, what? Are you kidding? Nah. And yeah, I'm still learning, if I'm honest, but it gets better. I put up a picture of myself the other day, talking about my brows, and I've had so many likes on that photo that I got this clever idea. I'm doing like makeup masterclasses with people now. They're 100% free. You don't need to pay anything. It's all online, so you don't need to leave your house even. Like literally, one evening, just sit on your phone, let me do my thing. In a nice closed little group with just you and your friends. Ask me questions, and we're done. So if anybody would like a masterclass, just say masterclass in comments. And we'll book you in. I'm doing one tonight. So that's where I'm going, actually. That is where I'm going. To do a brow masterclass. So that this is kind of like brow season for me. So, yeah. That's what's happening. I'm terrible with makeup. Oh, well, your profile picture suggests otherwise. Is what I'm going to say. Hey, Chipo. Yeah, lots of women think they're terrible with makeup. What I will say is, most women aren't as horrible as they think. But yeah, there's always room to learn something new. I find it easier to just focus on one thing at a time, like lips or eyes or, foundation or brows or something. But I couldn't have started out doing the whole thing. So one thing at a time. So, and eyes, I think if you had to choose one thing, like I'm not wearing lipstick, I'm not wearing blush, I'm not wearing anything else. I've literally just done my eyes, and I could go out and, feel like made up. Whereas it's difficult to get that with just lipstick and no brows. So I think eyes are the most important bit of makeup. You could just do your eyes and not do foundation, and you'd still look fabulous. That's what I think anyway. Hey, Abigail. Hi, Auntie Anita. Hello, Hasbine. How are you doing? Right. He should be in bed. Right, okay, what should I do? I've got lip powders. I've dropped 2, and I'm just wondering. Hello. Look, he started school this morning. The beginning of 14 years of education.
And give me some hearts.
Give him some hearts, please. You should say please at least, Isaac.
Please.
So I found a lip powder. This is Casual. Right.
Casual? What's Casual?
Casual is a shade of my lip powder. So that's Casual.
No.
That's Compassionate. I've got at least
Mum.
2 more.
No.
Yes, darling.
What does Casual
So if you look at it,
like?
it's a powder, but then it becomes a cream when it touches your mouth. All very clever. And it's sweet as well, which is what I like about it. Right, so that's what that looks like. And then it becomes a cream. Now, I don't generally line my lips. You can if you want to, but I don't, mostly.
Mum.
Yeah?
I want those on my lips.
Do you?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, Mariah. Can you see how he was mistaken for a girl when he was a baby? Hey, because you're wearing greens and yellows, darling.
Mum,
Uh-huh.
your makeup looks like it's turning blue.
It is
That
Don't poke your finger in my eye.
grey stuff looks like it's turning blue.
So that's my lip powder. Okay, right. So I'm just gonna finish up with more loose powder if I can find it. What have I done with it? There it is in my work makeup bag. I love this look. Told you guys, it's all about the eyes. All about the eyes. Get the eyes right, and people just notice. I think it's because when human beings look at each other, you look at each other's eyes, don't you? Another thing I like about this loose powder, it can't spill. Because these guys are always all over my stuff. Imagine
Mum,
if they could
I want-
open that and turn it upside
I
down.
want
The
all
mess.
the stuff on you, just like you.
All the stuff on me.
Yeah,
Yeah.
all the stuff you're wearing.
Right, so this shade is gingham. I love it. Love, love, love my gingham. And I just need to blend that in a little.
Mum, I want the makeup.
It's funny.
Lip
Hi,
powder.
Christians. Hi, Oluseyi. I would love to know how to open up my eyes. One of the easy ways to open up your eyes is to use...
It's like this.
Yes, Isaac. She didn't mean literally. Darker shades on the outside, lighter shades on the inside. So I'll just do one very quick. Where's my other eyeshadow palette? I wasn't going to use that, but it literally takes 2 seconds. So this is my Z palette. It's got like 25 in there. So what you want is any shade that is light colored. So think something gold, silver. These ones are reflecting so much they look like they're white. That's the sort of color you need to be going for. So I'll go for this shade.
Mum, why do we have to blend?
Literally, you either dip it on the tear ducts there or use it on the inside of the lid. Oh, Isaac, you're leaning on me now. Could you just give me a second, please? Right, so just like that. Don't touch me, don't touch me.
Why?
Because I'm in the middle of something. So you can actually just literally dot it there. That opens up your eyes. I don't know if you can tell the difference.
Hi.
So you can literally just dot it there.
Mum,
Some people put a bit more like towards
can
the
you
nose.
see me?
Everyone can see you, darling. Like that. So that, can you see the difference? Like look how I look on this side and that side. So yeah, that's one way to open up your eyes.
On this side and on that one.
So just do it on the other side as well. And then what you could do on the other side is, so you can either dot it like that or you could use it on the inner kind of third. So use a dark shade in the outer third, something bright in the middle, and then something really light on the inside. That opens up your eyes as well. So
Whoa.
yes, we all nearly fell off the stool just then. So yep. So obviously there's only so much detail I can go into when I do these lives. So if you want something more in-depth, just say masterclass. I'll message you. We'll figure out what
Mom,
exactly you want
can
me
you
to
turn
go
on
deep,
this?
deep, deep into makeup
Can
wise,
you-
skincare wise, anything wise.
Can you
And then
put on
we'll
this?
take it from there. Thanks for joining me, ladies. Please give me some hearts. Please share. Please tag a friend. And yeah, get in touch if you want to talk more. Good night.